How did these famous copyright infringement lawsuits end? Imagine creating something you love and then finding out someone else has used it without permission. That's what these big copyright cases are all about. Let's see how they wrapped up and what it means for creators and rights holders. First, take the case of Napster. This music sharing service started in 1999 and let people swap songs freely. Major record labels and artists like Metallica sued Napster for copyright infringement. The court decided Napster was responsible for enabling illegal sharing. By 2002, Napster had to shut down, pay millions in damages, and issue a public apology. This case made it clear that platforms helping others infringe can be held accountable. It set a strong example for digital services to respect copyright laws. Next, Vanilla Ice faced a lawsuit over his hit song Ice Ice Baby. The song used a bass line very similar to Queen and David Bowie's Under Pressure. The court found the similarities too close and settled out of court. Vanilla Ice paid an undisclosed amount and agreed to give Queen and Bowie songwriting credit. This case taught artists to get proper licenses before sampling parts of other songs. It's now a standard practice to avoid legal trouble. Then there's the case of The Verve and the Rolling Stones. The Verve song Bittersweet Symphony sampled a string section from the Rolling Stones The Last Time. The court ruled The Verve used more of the sample than they had permission for. As a result, The Verve lost all royalties and publishing rights to their hit. Years later, the Rolling Stones transferred those rights back to The Verve, but the case remains a warning. Sampling without clear, full licenses can lead to losing control of your work. Katy Perry also faced a copyright lawsuit. Flame, a Christian rapper, claimed her song Dark Horse copied elements from his track Joyful Noise. Initially, a jury ordered Perry to pay damages. But later, an appeals court reversed the decision, saying the musical parts in question were too common to be protected. This shows courts sometimes see musical ideas as too generic to infringe. It's a reminder that not everything similar is illegal, only specific protected parts. The case of Blurred Lines involved the Marvin Gaye estate suing Robin Thicke and Pharrell Williams. They claimed the song copied the feel of Gaye's Got to Give It Up. The jury awarded the estate millions, sparking debate about whether copyright protects style or only specific melodies. It highlighted how tricky it is to protect musical style under copyright law. The Pirate Bay, a website sharing movies, music, and software illegally, faced criminal charges in Sweden. The founders were convicted and sentenced to prison with fines. This case showed that helping others infringe on copyright can lead to serious criminal penalties. It also proved that copyright enforcement is worldwide. Jamie Thomas Rasse was one of the first individuals sued for sharing songs online. She was found liable and ordered to pay damages. Her case showed that even individuals can face big penalties for copyright infringement. It's a clear message to respect intellectual property rights, whether you're a creator or a user. All these cases teach important lessons. Always get proper licenses before using someone else's work. Understand that facilitating infringement can make you liable. Remember that copyright protects specific expressions, not just ideas or styles. And know that enforcement can happen anywhere, with civil or criminal penalties. From a legal point of view, these cases show how copyright, trademark, and patent laws intersect. They reminded creators and rights holders to stay within clear boundaries and manage their rights carefully. Respecting these boundaries helps protect your work and avoid costly legal battles.